Hello students, welcome to Maths online class. Today we are going to do revision for online test. So since we are having online test for Maths on 5th of June, that means this Saturday. Okay, so the portion will be chapter 2. Okay, so let us do. So children, I have taken revision from your book only, so you know the chapter very nicely. Then also let me do the revision for you. Okay, main properties of addition I am going to do revision today. Okay, so if 0, suppose for example I am saying when you add 0, if 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. Like for example 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. Okay, or 5 plus 0 is equal to 5, or 7 plus 0 is equal to 5, or 0 plus 7 is equal to 5. Alright, so any number added to 0 will become the same number itself. Now the second property is if 1 is added to a number, the sum is the next number. Alright, so when you add 1 to a number, you get the answer what? The next number is the answer. For example, 4 plus 1, you get 5. After 4, what is the next number? 5. So the sum is also 5. Another example, 10 plus 1, 11. Okay, or 30 plus 1, 32. 30 plus 1, 31. Alright, so if 1 is added to a number, the sum is the next number. Now the third property is the sum of numbers remains the same even if their order is changed. As I told you in the beginning also, like 2 plus 3 is 5, isn't it? And 3 plus 5 is also, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Also 3 plus 2 is also 5. Okay, in the same way 10 plus 15 is 25 and 15 plus 10 is also 25. Even if the order changes, okay, the sum of the numbers remains the same even if the order is changed. Alright, so I have taken few questions from your book. Okay, so this is try this. So 15 plus dash will be 15. So whenever you add a number to 15, what number you have to add to get the same number? 15 plus 0. Right children? Okay, in the same way here also 46 plus 21 is equal to 21 plus 46. This means which property is this sum is according to which property? The sum of a number remains the same even if the order is changed. Order is changed but sum is same. Same way here also 54 plus 48 is equal to what it will be children? Is equal to 48 plus 54. Okay, even if you add 54 plus 48 or 48 plus 54, the answer remains the same. Okay, these are the third properties. Okay, this is the first property 0. Now 52 plus 27 will be equal to 27 plus, yes, what should be? Very good, should be 52. Okay, now here dash plus 32. What plus 32 will be 32? 0 plus 0 added to any number, the answer is the number itself. So here also 0 plus 97. Okay, now this is number G is the second property. Okay, if 1 is added to a number, the sum is the next number. So this is already 1 is added here, so it should be what? 84, right? 84, 1 minute, 84 plus 1 is equal to 85. Okay, so here 53 plus what you have to add? 53 plus 0. That means 53 plus 0 will be the same number itself. Okay, you have to learn the properties of addition nicely for your online test. And also you should learn about tens and ones. Okay, how to regroup tens and ones. Alright, regrouping tens and ones also we will do from here, okay, from the mental maths. This is also you have to learn. 10 more than 63. 10 more means what you will do, children? You have to plus, isn't it? So 63 plus 10 will be 73. In the same way, 46 plus 30. So this one we have learned in the grid as well, isn't it? So now we are going to do it. So 46 plus 30 will be how much? 70. Okay. 70 how much? 76. Any doubt, children? You have to, in the grid, how did we learn? We have to move 3 steps, isn't it? When you add 30, you have to go down 3 steps, isn't it? So here 40 then plus 30 will be, when we add 3 steps down, it will become 76. In the same way here 21 plus 60 will be, you can add it this way also, ones and ones you can add. Okay, ones and ones, this 0 and 1 is in ones place. So 0 and 1 will be how much? 1. Okay, now in tens place what is the number? 6, and here it is 2. So 6 plus 2 become how much, children? Yes, it is 8. Alright. Now in the same way here also you see, what is the question? 20 plus 40 plus 4. 3 numbers are there. Okay. So these 3 when you add with this, again you have to add another number, that is 4. That means what it will be? 4 is here, that means you have to add at first these 2 numbers. So 50 and 20 when you add, what do you get? You get here 70. Alright, 70 plus 4 will be how much? It will be 74. Okay. Now this is also another thing. If 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, then 32 plus 5 will be 6. 5 plus 2 is already 7. So here again 5 and 2 is given, yes or no? 5 and 2 is given, here also 5 and 2. So 5 and 2, 7 means here also we will get 7. And this 3 is in tens place, here nothing is in tens place, so 3 will come here. So the answer will be 37. Okay, in the same way, this question number 6 is 3 plus 4 is how much? 3 plus 4 is 7, right? Now you have to add 30 plus 4. So 3 plus 4, 7 means here also 3 and 4 will be 7. Yes or no? 7, and when you add 0 and 0, 0 plus 0 is also 0. Okay. Now here you see 15 plus 27 is equal to 27 plus what it should be? It is very easy. It will be 15. That means even if the order changes, the sum remains the same. So with 0 plus 72. So that means definitely 72 plus 0. Isn't it? Now this one you see nicely. What should be added to a number to get the next number? Okay, to get the next number, what should be added? This is the second property. If 1 is added to a number, the sum is the next number. So to get the next number, what should be added? We have to add 1. Okay, children, the answer is 1. I hope you understood, students. So again tomorrow also I will try to give you some more revisions. Okay. So today only this much. Have a nice day and study nicely for your test. Okay. Thank you so much.